Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show that how to connect Pinterest to Facebook profile. For these settings you have to open your Facebook profile and scroll down and you can see here edit details option. Click to edit details and scroll down again and click the pen icon here. After clicking the pen icon here you can see here again pen icon, click the pen icon here. Then you have to scroll down and you can see here add a social link. Click to add a social link and click the Instagram icon here. After clicking Instagram icon here you have to scroll down again and here you can see Pinterest account. Click to Pinterest account and write the username of your Pinterest account here. I write my Pinterest account username here. Then click to save icon. After clicking to save icon, the Pinterest account will be added to your profile. See guys, the Pinterest account has been added to your profile. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video was helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then take care. Bye bye my dear friends.